Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us on our latest decorative concrete video. In this section of the clip we're demonstrating how we screed the surface of the concrete. This is a very important stage of the job to ensure there's no puddles going to be on the surface and all fours are working to where they need to be. In this clip we're just showing you how we mag around the outside edges using a magnesium trowel, which just sets a lovely line for the screeder to work his levels to. In this section of the video we're demonstrating how we trowel the surface of the concrete, removing the imperfection in the surface, creating a beautiful smooth finish to take our colour surface hardener. It's now time to apply the colour surface hardener, which comes in over 27 varieties. But not only does this product colour the surface of our beautiful new decorative concrete installation, but it also hardens the surface as a wearing course. It's now time to burnish that colour surface hardener into the surface of the concrete, ensuring a lovely smooth and consistent look and an even coat of colour to give you the best result for a real crisp and even print on your mats. The printing stage of the project is the most time crucial aspect of the job, where timing is everything, and ensuring a good consistent print means knowing when to get on the concrete, as getting on too early can cause bellies and getting on too late can cause lack of print. Incorporating expansion joints into your decorative concrete installation is a highly recommended process, as this can drastically reduce the risk of cracking. We recommend waiting a minimum of 24 to 48 hours before applying the expansion joints, as it can reduce the risk of chipping. Cleaning down and removing any surface contamination is a very important stage, ensuring that you get a very good bond with your resin sealer to the surface of your new decorative concrete installation, so really ensure to get a very clean surface with a high powered jet wash. If you're in the market for a decorative concrete installation, or you're interested in the decorative concrete systems and processes to add to your business, contact Stencil-Tech and one of our staff will help you with any information you need. Thank you very much.